So today I'm in EVORA and I plan to just have a laundry day and chill out around the town. Yeah, 'cause I have 2 days here. Just let me show you the hostel, which is really cool. Here's my laundry. I'm ready to go. I want to do a proper laundry. Here's the courtyard. I have to get.
When we take our time, stay under the covers, yeah. I will say keep a good thing going, a good thing's going right. Sing, don't you think it's strange what's going on? Everything's changed, but I'm holding on. Stay with me, can't wait another day. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah, yeah. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah, yeah. Sinking in your skin, got me falling in. Do you feel it? 'Cause I feel it, yeah.
So I'm in Iglesias San Joaquin. So I'm in Iglesias San Francisco and I'm here to check out the Chapel of Bones. Let's see if I can get in. It seems pretty quiet, no tourists, but usually it's hiding behind the altar or under us. That's what usually is. I've seen one the same in Peru. Yeah, some in Peru. So let's see. It's not actually here inside, but you have to go left. So let's see if we can go there. I hope it's free. Okay. In a not so obvious municipal building in EVORA. Inside it used to be an old Roman thermal bath. A few tourists come here probably. So imagine like thousands, hundreds of years ago, ancient Romans used to take a warm bath here. Here it is, guys. It's free of charge, it's open to the public. It's, some people call it's the Temple of Diana. You can really tell, you can really say how expansive the Roman Empire was, that it reached Portugal,